Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will be seeing how can you fix your UPnP not successful on Xbox with Verizon Fios. So here's a guide for your NAT open and port mapping. Fix 1. Restart your Xbox and Verizon router. Turn off your Xbox, unplug your Verizon Fios router for 30 seconds. Plug the router back in and wait until it's fully online. Turn on your Xbox and check the network status again. Fix to enable your UPnP on your Verizon Fios router. Open a web browser and go to your router's admin page. Sign in with your router's administration credentials. Open Advanced Firewall or Network Settings. The menu may vary by router's model. Find UPnP and make sure it is enabled. Save the changes and restart the router. Fix 3. Check your NAT type. Open Settings, select General, and then go to Network Settings. Check the NAT type. Fix 4. Update your Verizon router. Install any available firmware updates through the router's admin page or the My Verizon app. Restart the router after updating. Fix 5. Remove double NAT. If your Xbox is connected through another router, mesh Wi-Fi system or range extender in addition to the Verizon Fios router, you may have double NAT which can prevent UPnP from working. Connect the Xbox directly to the Verizon router if possible, or configure the second router to bridge or access point mode. Fix 6. Assign a static IP and port forward if needed. If UPnP still doesn't work, assign your Xbox a static IP address. Forward the required Xbox Live ports on your Verizon router such as TCP 3074, UDP 88500307435544 and 4500. Restart both the router and Xbox after saving the changes. Fix 7. Test the network again. Go to Settings, select General, and then go to Network Settings. Select Test NAT Type or Test Multi-Layer Connection. Confirm that the UPnP Not Successful message is gone. Fix 8. Contact Verizon support. If the issue persists, you can ask Verizon to verify that your router is functioning correctly and has the latest firmware. If the router is faulty, they may recommend repairing or replacing it. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.